Hi friends, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you're all fine. Today you will see in this video lovely people you will see in this video's modern landscaping ideas, garden decoration trends, home decorations ideas in 2025. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Top stylish and trending pebble stones ideas, landscaping designs, garden decorations ideas. I always try to bring your top creative and trending landscaping ideas. So viewers, I have uploaded landscaping designs, indoor plants, wall hanging decorations ideas, plants, wall partition trends, home decoration design. So watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends. Family members and social media accounts. You will see any already addictive and trending home decor trends. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching this video till the end. Marvelous in trending and stylish home decor designs. I'll always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Top creative and trending pebble stones ideas, home decor designs, garden decorations ideas. Today you will see in all top creative and trending landscaping ideas. Gorgeous and stylish and trending pebble stones designs, home decorations ideas. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos and you like this one stylish landscaping design, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. These are my favorite collections that I'm gonna share with you in this video till the end.